Hi, my name is Matthew, and I will be your learning guide for this guided learning video. Solve for the hypotenuse given the short leg in a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Example number 1. If C equals 7 square root 2, solve for B. Start by drawing a reference triangle to the right of a given triangle. The short leg is x, the hypotenuse 2x, and the long leg x square root 3. Since C equals 7 square root 2, set the known side equal to the reference side. Here, C is the same as x. Since we want the value of B, which is the hypotenuse, double both sides. 2 times 7 square root 2. Therefore, the value of B is the same as 2x. B equals 14 square root 2. Or more simply put, it's double the short leg. Let's take a look at example number 2. If C equals 2 square root 2, solve for A. This is a great place to pause the video and see if you can solve for A, the hypotenuse, given the short leg, on your own. First, start by drawing a reference triangle to the right of the given triangle. The short leg is x, the hypotenuse is 2x, and the long leg is x square root 3. Since C equals 2 square root 2, and this is the short leg, set the known side equal to the reference side. X is 2 square root 2. Since we want the value of A, which is the hypotenuse, we really want 2x, which means we need to double the value of 2 square root 2, or double the short leg. This results in 4 square root 2. Since A is the same as 2x and the hypotenuse, A equals 4 square root 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this one on your academic journey through math. Leave a comment below and let me know which example you found most helpful. Check out more free content at tutoringbymatthew.com.